Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a strong brand identity with Adobe. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and launch Adobe Illustrator. Create a new document with a suitable artboard size for your branding project. Start by brainstorming your brand's core values and message. Choose a color palette that reflects your brand's personality. Use the color picker tool to select and save your colors in a swatch panel. Next, focus on your typography. Select fonts that align with your brand's tone: modern, classic, or playful. Create text elements to use in your logo and marketing materials. Now, let's design your logo. Use the Shape tool to create basic elements for your logo. Combine shapes and text to form a cohesive design. Experiment with different layouts and configurations. Don't be afraid to make use of the Layers panel for organization. Once satisfied, apply your color palette to the logo. Next, create visual assets for your brand. Design business cards, letterheads, and social media templates. Keep a consistent style across all materials. Utilize Adobe Stock for additional assets if needed. As you finalize your designs, ensure that all elements reflect your brand identity. Finally, save your project in multiple formats for versatility. Export your logo and visual assets for both print and digital use. With these steps, you have established a strong brand identity using Adobe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.